Good morning, children. How are you all? I hope all of you are safe and healthy at your home. So, children, we have done the revision of first chapter. Now, today we are going to start the revision of second chapter. Okay, that is my body. So, today I'm going to tell you different things about the body parts. Okay, one by one we will discuss about all the parts of the body. Okay, children. Now, see, the first part of our body is our head. Okay, the first part of our body is head. Head consists of many parts. Like, see here, hair. What is this? Hair. Okay, eyes, nose, ears, mouth. Okay, and here is our forehead. What we call forehead. Okay, children. So these are the part of our head consists of all these parts of the body. One more time, see, hair, first part, hair, HAIR. Second, this one is your hair. Second, ears, EARS. Third, eyes, EYES. Fourth, nose, NOSE. Fifth, mouth, MOUTH. And the last one, forehead. Children, you know that inside our mouth, tongue and teeth are also present. Okay, that we will discuss later. Now see here, eyes. How many eyes, children, we have? We have two eyes. Okay, how many eyes? Two eyes. And what is the function of eyes, children? Eyes help us to see this beautiful world which is present around us. Okay, eyes help us to see this world. Okay, children. Now move to the next one, nose. Nose help us to smell the things. Either the smell are good or bad. Okay. Ears. How many ears do we have, children? We have two ears. And ears help us to hear the sound. Okay, we are able to listen the voice, we are able to listen the creeping of the bird, talking of any person with the help of our ears. Mouth. It is very important part of our body. Okay, all the parts of our body are equally important, but with the help of our mouth, we can eat, speak, and smile also. Okay, children. So mouth is very important part. Okay, and inside the mouth, what is present? Tell me, children. Inside the mouth, teeth and tongue. Okay, tongue. Both are present inside our mouth. Okay, so mouth is very important part of our body because we are able to eat, speak and smile with the help of our mouth. Shoulders. We have two shoulders. Shoulders help us to carry the luggage, or if you want to carry any heavy object, you use your shoulder for that purpose. Okay. Arms. How many arms we have, children? We have two arms. Okay, and we are able to bend our arms from the elbow. This is our elbow. And from the wrist. This is our wrist. Okay, we are able to fold our fingers too. Okay, we are able to bend our elbow, wrist and fingers. Okay, hands. This is our hands. So we have two hands, and how many fingers, children, we have? We have 8 fingers in two hands and 2 thumbs. Okay, we have, we have 8 fingers and 2 thumbs in our both hands. Okay, now move to the next one, knee. We are able to bend our leg from this part. This is our knee. Okay, this is the picture of leg. So we are able to bend our leg from the knee and from the ankle, both the part. Okay children, now move to the next one, foot. How many foots do we have children? We have 2 foot, or you can say feet. Okay, and how many toes do we have children? See here, we have 10 toes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So how many toes do we have children? We have 10 toes. Okay. And if I ask you, then in 1 feet, how many toes do we have? Then you will say 5 toes in each foot. Okay. Clear? Now all of you revise it. One more thing I want to tell you, that each and every part of our body are equally important if they are small. Okay children, our thumb is also very important part of our body. You are not able to hold the glass without your thumb. Okay, so each and every part of our body is very important and we should take care of them. Clear children? Now all of you just revise it. Take care. Thank you.